Find the angle between the pair of vectors. They give you two vectors and they want you to find the angle between them. So basically, if you were going to graph it, and we can just make a small graph here. And we have negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That'll be your first vector. Positive 2 and negative 1. That'll be your second vector. They want you to find the angle in between. So notice that's more than 90 and less than 180. Probably a little closer to 180. Now to find the angle, we have the following formula. Cosine of the angle is equal to the dot product. We're going to call this u and this v vector. So it'll be u dot product with v over the magnitude of u multiplied by the magnitude of v. Now to find the dot product, you basically just multiply the a values for each one, which used to be your x values. That will give me negative 5 multiplied by 2 plus multiply your v values, which used to be your y values, 6, negative 1. So you can just think about your multiply your x's plus multiply your y. The magnitude, we are going to remember, we're trying to find the length of this vector. Will be negative 5 squared plus 6 squared. That is the magnitude of the first vector multiplied by the magnitude of your second vector, which is 2 squared plus negative 1 squared. And let me simplify before I tap into the calculator. Might make it a little bit easier. Cosine. This is negative 10 and this is negative 6, so it gives you negative 16 over. This is 25 plus 36 gives you 61. Multiply. This is 4 and this is 1. Square root of 5. And I want to type that into the calculator. Now you don't want to simplify square root of 65 and square root of 5 because you want to make sure you get a more exact answer. Otherwise your numbers will be a little off. I want to use my fraction bar, or can just use parentheses instead. 16. I'll place my square root of 61. Notice I got out the square root and the square root of 5. If you want to place a times in between, you want to make sure that your square root is not inside the other square root. Just be careful. And I want to take the inverse cosine for this. So I can just give my answer. Inverse cosine of my answer will give me the angle between, which is 156 degrees. And this does look like 156, so that should be correct.